Hello pot delighters, welcome back to the channel. The madam has lost her voice, so today I am taking over this presentation. Today we are making croissant. Did I pronounce it right? Yes, we are making croissant. So let's get started.
Something I'm licking nose. I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot delight, pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no I read, no pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no I read, no pot delight. Now so waka, I'm not looking better, wanting something healthy, to quench my hunger for the day.
In a bowl, add lukewarm water, sugar, instant dry yeast, milk.
I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot delight, pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no I read, no pot delight,
and add half cup of flour from the 3 cups. Mix well, cover, and let it rest for 10 minutes.
Give me vibe, give me joy, guys they feel. Any food come to mind, make you visit. Pot delight, baby jollof, pot delight.
Add the remaining flour, salt, powdered milk, vanilla essence, oil, and mix.
Make you visit. Pot delight, waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something I'm licking nose. I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot delight, pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no I
Transfer to your working surface and knead for 10 minutes or until the dough becomes soft. Divide the dough into 12 pieces and mold into ball shapes.
Waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something I'm licking nose. I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot delight, pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no I read, no pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no I read, no pot delight. Now so waka, I'm not looking better, wanting something healthy, to quench my hunger for the day. Waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something I'm licking nose. I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot delight, pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no I read, no pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no I read, no pot delight, give me vibe, give me joy, guys they feel. Any food come to mind, make you visit. Pot delight, baby jollof, pot delight, then rice, pot delight, fried rice, pot delight. Any food come to mind, make you visit. Pot delight, waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something I'm licking nose. I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot delight, pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet pot delight, no I read, no pot delight, continental pot delight, sweet
Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes.
You're listening to the works of a Magidoo.
Add butter, flour, and salt. Mix well and keep aside.
Waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something, I'm licking nose, I grab my pot.
Roll the dough thinly and apply the butter.
Pot the light, pot the light. Continental, pot the light. Sweet, pot the light. No, I read, pot the light. Pot the light. Continental, pot the light. Sweet, pot the light. No, I read, pot the light. Now so waka, I'm not looking better, wanting something healthy, to quench my hunger for the day. Waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something, I'm licking nose, I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot the light, pot the light. Continental, pot the light. Sweet, pot the light. No, I read, pot the light. Pot the light. Continental, pot the light. Sweet, pot the light. No, I read, pot the light. Pot the light, give me vibe, give me joy. Guys, they feel any food come to mind, make you visit. Pot the light, baby, jollof. Pot the light, then rice. Pot the light, fried rice. Pot the light, any food come to mind, make you visit. Pot the light, waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something, I'm licking nose, I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot the light, pot the light. Continental, pot the light. Sweet, pot the light. No, I read, pot the light. Pot the light. Continental, pot the light. Sweet, pot the light. No, I read, pot the light.
You're listening to the works of a Magidoo.
Shape, cover, and let it rest for 2 hours in the refrigerator.
Waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something, I'm licking nose, I grab my pot.
That's your working surface and roll it out.
Pot the light, pot the light. Continental, pot the light. Sweet, pot the light. No, I read, pot the light. Pot the light. Continental, pot the light. Sweet, pot the light. No, I read, pot the light. Now so waka, I'm not looking better, wanting something healthy, to quench my hunger for the day. Waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something, I'm licking nose, I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot the light, pot the light. Continental, pot the light. Sweet, pot the light. No, I read, pot the light. Pot the light. Continental, pot the light. Sweet.
Trim the edges and fold gently.
Pot the light, give me vibe, give me joy. Guys, they feel any food come to mind, make you visit. Pot the light, baby, jollof. Pot the light, then rice. Pot the light, fried rice. Pot the light, any food come to mind, make you visit. Pot the light, waking from mission, wanting something garnishing. Something, I'm licking nose. I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot delight, oh. Pot delight, continental pot delight. Sweet pot delight, no iron, no pot delight.
Cover and let it rest for 1 hour.
Continental pot delight. Sweet pot delight, no iron, no pot delight.
Now egg wash.
You're listening to the works of Magadoo.
Bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Our croissant is ready, very soft and crispy. Try this recipe and you always make croissant at home. Don't forget to like and follow for more simple recipes. If you have any question, don't forget to put in the comment section. She'll be back with the presentation soon. Bye.
So waka, I'm not looking better, eh. Wanting something healthy, eh, to quench my hunger for the day. Waking from mission. Wanting something garnishing. Something, I'm licking nose. I grab my pot, so my spoon, heading straight to pot delight, oh. Pot delight, continental pot delight. Sweet pot delight, no iron, no pot delight. Pot delight, continental pot delight. Sweet pot delight, no iron, no pot delight. Pot delight, give me vibe, give me joy, guys they feel. Any food come to mind, oh, make you visit. Pot delight, baby, your love.